Hola, estudiantes. The topic for today is the verb ir and how to use it to talk about the near future. First, let's review the forms of the verb ir. Ir means to go. Yo voy, tú vas, él, ella, usted, one person or thing va, nosotros vamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes van. The activity this week required you to complete and translate sentences similar to this one. Voy a la playa. I go to the beach. As well as this one. Ellos van al cine. They are going to the movie. It turns out that we can use this verb to talk about the near future, a type of future tense. The tense is formed by using a form of the verb ir plus a plus a verb in the infinitive form. This is what the near future sounds like in English. This week I am going to go shopping with my friends. Tonight we are going to play football on the field. This afternoon Jack is going to play on his PS3. Let's try to create our own sentences using familiar vocabulary and verbs. I am going to ski. Voy a esquiar. Voy is the form of ir plus a plus the verb esquiar, the verb in the infinitive form. So we have ir plus a plus a verb. He is going to play the guitar. Él va a tocar la guitarra. Va is the form of ir plus a plus a verb in the infinitive form, tocar. Again, we have ir plus a plus a verb in the infinitive form. We are going to go to school. Vamos a ir a la escuela. Vamos is the form of ir plus a plus ir, that's the verb that we're going to use this time in the infinitive form. So again, we have a form of ir plus a plus a verb in the infinitive form. Let's do another one. My friends are going to go to the mall. Mis amigos van a ir al centro comercial. Van is the form of ir that we're using, plus the a, plus the ir. Again, I've used ir for my infinitive verb. So we have ir, a form of ir, which is van, plus a, plus a verb in the infinitive form, which in this case is the verb ir. I hope you're starting to get this. My father is going to rest. Mi padre va a descansar. Here we have va is our form of ir, plus a, plus the verb in the infinitive form is descansar. Ir plus a plus a verb. I am going to swim. Voy a nadar. Voy is the form of ir plus a plus a verb in the infinitive form. Again, ir plus a plus a verb in the infinitive form. I think one more to do. Anna is going to eat. Anna va a comer. Va is our form of ir, plus a, plus comer. So again, we have ir plus a plus a verb in the infinitive form. That's how we change ir into the future tense, the near future. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.